Yeah. So thanks everyone for joining the session. Today is our first class. We'll start with the SAP installations. SAP installations here. Installations means building the new house, means installing the new SAP system, means brand new house. We are developing a brand new house here. So if you want to stay inside of the home, if you want to learn, first of all, house should be built, right? So that's why SAP system, we have to build it. We have to install the new SAP systems. We have to install the new SAP systems here. So installations parts build means installations part will comes under the SAP implementation side, implementation projects. We have the types of projects are there in the real world. We have the types of projects are there in the SAP systems, SAP side. One is the implementation project. The second one is the support projects. Then after that, some migrations or conversions, the projects we have. But mainly we have the implementation and support projects here. Implementation project means some other team, they will do only implementations, means basic installations, basic configurations. And once the go live project is live, they will hand over to the support team here. Support team here. Suppose if the companies are hiring you because of the implementation, you need to work on the building the new systems. What are the softwares we required? What are the OS recommendations? So all those things you required here. Suppose if you are directly joining as a support, some people they will hire for the support projects. Support projects means already the project installation is done, already the business is live. So then the customer looking for the support team to do the day-to-day their business activities like supporting the systems, monitoring health checks, fixing the issues and everything. So they are hiring you. So then you are in the support team here, right? Two times of implementation team, support teams here, implementation projects and support projects here. So let's talk about the suppose support team wants to work. First of all, you should know about the implementation means installations information. You should know implementation side. You should know about all those things, right? Implementation side we know about this SAP installations. So in the implementation part, first of all, so all we will follow is a SAP standard methodology that is called the SAP SAP methodology. SAP SAP methodology we will follow. There is a one guidelines for the everybody. We have to follow the implementation methodology, right? SAP SAP methodology, there is a rule we have to follow. Everybody should follow this rule here. To install the SAP systems directly, you cannot go ahead and install it. There is a plan, preparation activities, one procedure we have to follow, right? So that is what we need to do it here. Sir, what is this SAP methodology means? SAP SAP. So SAP means it's a SAP means here accelerated SAP. It's a accelerated SAP here, right? Accelerated. So accelerated SAP here, accelerated SAP here, right? Accelerated. So SAP methodology, accelerated SAP methodologies we have to follow. So this is a standard SAP related project, standard SAP related project here. This SAP methodology contains 5 main phases here. One is the project preparation activities. The second one is called the project preparation activities, and the second one is called the blueprint, business blueprint. The third one is called the realization. Third one is called the realization method. The fourth one is called the final preparation. The fifth one is called the go live. The sixth one, some people they will say only five phases here. Some people they will say 6 phases here. Means support. support phase here. So why? Because some people they will club some people they will club the sixth phase, and 5 and 6 they will club it out. Otherwise we have the only these phases we have here. These phases we have here, right? Project preparation and business blueprint, realization, final preparation activities, and go live and support activities. We have the 6 phases we have here. So why we need, what is SAP methodology framework? Why it is required? Why this methodology framework is required here? So the accelerated SAP methodology framework is, it's kind of implementation approach. Each phase, this is each roadmap step. Okay, each phase of it provide the detailed plan to assist the how we are progressing, how we are hiring the team members, right? How we are providing the documentations, recommendations, implementation of SAP systems. Each phase of process ends, we have the quality checks, right? We have the quality checks means, in this way we can provide the deadline to the customer when we are going to build the systems, hand over the systems, where we are, how much percentage we completed, how many team members we have, how many is required. Whenever each phase of the process ends with the quality checks, that helps to monitor the deliverables, other factors to make it success. So to make it the implementation success, we have to follow the SAP methodology. SAP methodology, we have to follow it here. The purpose of this SAP methodology to help the project management to design the implementation in the efficient manner, to optimize the time, to save the money, quality, also people, so team members and other resources. By to minimize all these things, so we have to follow the SAP methodologies. So this will help to understand the design principles, the project design principle, what products you are going to install it here, how you are doing the SAP implementations. So it's the most efficient manner possibilities. Also to optimizing the time, people, quality work, and also other resources. So using the implementation project, so we can optimize the implementation of SAP systems in the business process wise. All the solutions, developed solutions, guarantee it is successfully working, the solution, the development work, the cost effective, the time delivery to the customers. So all those things, in order to success in the implementation project, each and every phase we have to do our work. Then only the project will successfully will go live, and then onwards the support team will do the support activities here, right? Each phase there is a brief information what we have to do each and every phase here, right? Suppose if I take about project preparation activities, sir, why we have to do directly, we can go and install the SAP systems, right? Yeah, if you do it in the training part, that's fine. But when it goes to the real time, so every organization will follow the standards, one procedure. But finally, our main work is installation of the SAP system only. But there is a one procedure, one process we have to follow, right? But without the following the process, company policies, so company policies and company process, then so how the client will trust us, right? So the trusting is very important between the company and the customer, right? Otherwise, if the customer asks you when you are going to complete the implementation part, when you are going to deliver, means how your manager will tell, how your project lead will tell to customer, only this 2 months, 3 months it is going to complete, means what basis you are telling it complete the 2 months, right? So no, sir, we are following the SAP implementation methodology, standard methodology. In that, we have divided our activities into the 6 main phases here. One is the project preparation activities, then blueprint, then realization and finalization, go live and support, like that. So each phase we have the certain activities so that we will come like a prerequisite to starting to deadline end we are coming, we are in the middle, so that we can clarity, we have clarity, we can confidently we can say in the next 1 month we are going to complete the project. Like that we can give the deadlines here, right? So that is what the if we follow this implementation methodology, so we can say confidently, right? So in each and every phase, the project preparation, in the name itself we have the activities that preparation. So this phase is mainly focused on the initial planning, the preparations to set the goals. So this phase mainly for the scope of the implementations, right? Suppose you got the one project from the company, what is the scope of your implementation, your company doing? You have to do all activities, all only certain activities here, right? That is the, you need to get the clarity, means scope of implementation, installation. Then, so you need to internally, you have to establish the team, so you have to establish the team here, establish the team structure, right? Team structure means you need manager, how many resources you required for the implementation from the basis side. Then if the resources are not readily available, then the people, the HR team, they will inform to the HR team to hire this is the project requirement, this is the agent, this is the job description, we need these people, please hire them, means they will hire it, right? So then establishing the team here, right? Consulting projects and all those things here. Then, so then define the sequence of activities. Then once you got it, so this all will comes under the preparation activities here, sequence. Like what activities we have to do. First of all, installation means first of all, hardware procurement, we have to do it, right? Then OS team will build the operating system. Network team will set the network, IPs, ranges, host names. Then from our side, we have to do the SAP software downloading and installing. Then sequence we have to follow, right? Then who will tell us to follow the sequence? That's why all will comes under the project preparation activities. Hiring a team. So someone will hire you, then will ask you to prepare the preparation activities, scope of implementation, calls with the customer. So all those things will happen in the preparation activities. Once our company got the project, SAP project, implementation project for our food business. Suppose you are starting a food business. Your food business is required the one application, right? To save the food orders, all those things, to save the food orders, to save the bill, so inflow and outflow, everything you require the food business is required, right? If you are starting the food business, means several vendors, they will contact you for materials, some of the other things. So the multiple things they will contact you. You need that information. So that time you require the one server. You need to establish one SAP systems. Why? Because application means SAP is providing the application to store the business data, your business data. We can save it into the one of the application level, right? So in that case, to build SAP application, you need to have the all those things, right? You need to put bidding. Companies will start going for the bidding for this one. Our companies will go in the bidding. Once you got in the bidding, then the customer will tell you, the client will tell you, this is my food business purpose. So this is the activities you have to do that one. So this is the cost. Then we can plan it accordingly. I need to hand over you guys need to hand over the system by 6 months, 1 year project, 2 months, 2 years project, like that. They will give you the full clarity. So that type of scope of implementations, establishing that, based on that, you will contact internally. Then you will establish a team, hire the team, prepare the sequence of activities, the scope of implementations, all those things you will start in the project preparation activities. Same we have to inform, right? Same you are informing to the team here. That is what we have to do that one. Same we have to do that one in the preparation activities here, right? So that is the the project preparation activities here, right? So that is the one here. The next one is the business blueprint. The business blueprint. Once you team is hired, sequence of work you have drafted a steps here and scope of implement. Here nothing we will do. Technically nothing we will do here. Why? Because it's a preparation activities here. We will be hired here in these phases here, right? Next one is the business blueprint here. So in this, the main aim of this phase is to common understanding of the project project like the project related procedures. What is the intended to the support of the project here? Detailed documentation that contains the all the requirement here. So brainstorming sessions, initial meeting with the customers, and also the project team scope of revises the objectives, goals, show settings, each person what they have, which company, which person, each team, what activities you have to do, detailed documentation. Blueprint means detailed documentation, clear documentation we have to do it here. Here also nothing we will perform technical activities, just preparation of the documentations, all those things here. Why? Because it's a blueprint phase here. In this phases, nothing we will do it here. Only so detailed documentation, brainstorm sessions with the our team members, initial meetings, what we have to do, documentations, so support level activities, what we have to do, everything we need to present to the customer. Customer is happy, then we can go with the next phase here. So that's what we have to do it in the in the business blueprint. In the detailed documentation we have to perform in the blueprint means normally when you go to the any shopping mall or any store, so in the left side or near to left, there is a the plan, the four plan is there. That is called the blueprint. The building related four plan is there. That is the blueprint. They will they will document it. They will clearly articulate it like emergency lifts where you are, something like that. They will clearly say, right? The detailed documentation. Same as like here also, what SAP systems you are going to install it. What is the SID? What is the naming convention you are following, what are the passwords you are setting here, standards, then what is the your company policies, all those things we need to set, how many systems, what is your scope, what is the all the meetings, initial meetings, all those things will happen in the business blueprint, right? Here also we will nothing we will do, just attending the meetings, preparing the documentations, all those things we will perform it here, right? That is the blueprint here. Once it's done, then realization phase. Here, actual our SAP technical work will start. Our technical work starts here, right? Actual technical work means here in the realization phase here, implementing the all the installation of the all the SAP systems, implementing the all the business process as per the customer requirement. So in this phase, the project manager should give the should get the sign off from the stakeholders, right? Configurations like baseline preparations. So the remaining scope implementations, all the implementation work, all the systems builds, all the work. This is a very long running phase. Why? Because here lot of activities we have to do it in the realization phase. Here, lot of activities we have to perform in the realization phase. Means starting with the downloading the softwares, installation of the SAP systems, implementation of the business process requirements. As per the requirement, we have to implement all the business process, right? Project manager get the sign off from the stakeholders, configurations from our side, base configurations. So then baseline preparations as per the baseline, as per the boundaries, what you have to do, implementations, configurations, final configurations, cross-checking. So all those things, demos, all those things will happen in the realization phase here, right? This is the main phase here. Here, our actual work starts from here, right? Here is the actual work starts in this phase here. The next one is called the final preparation. Final preparation means here, whatever you have done here, like installations, implementation of the business process, sign off from the stakeholders, all those things. Here, the final preparation means here, so here what will happen here? Testing will happen, cutover activities, users training, how they have to use the SAP system in the food business, right? How to store the, how to how to how to attach the, how to accept the orders, if any order received as per your food business. So you are starting a food business, you require the SAP applications. So then in this case, so you have to install the SAP system means in proper manner. So then in this case, data center preparations, where you have to store the data, all those things required. Then once the SAP system installation, everything is done. So here the final preparations, we have to do it like configure, final configuration, if anything pending here, at our activities, how to go live, when it is go live, user trainings here, whoever there in the food business, how they have to accept the orders from the SAP system side, the users, end users trainings related activities, cutover activities here, other tasks that is required for the go live activities for the successful completions. Then organize so that and all everything will be ready. So this phase will ensures your organization is ready to begin the using the system here in this phase. Final preparation means in this phase, all you have to complete the all activity, complete the all activities you have to complete it here. All activities we have to complete in this phases here. So that once this phase is done, we have the go live. Go live means the project is, this phase is for journey from pre-production to the production live preparation live. The project is went live here. The project is live here. The project is live. So people start booking the your orders from the your people's project is live here. Means people will start, end users, the business will start booking the orders from the your systems. They will book the orders. Then you will have to prepare all that is done here. So which means before that, how the your systems are behaving, how the infrastructure is behaving, whether your users knows how to accept the orders, all those end user training and everything will happen in the final preparation. Once done, then go live and project is live here. The project live means here, so our journey starts here. Means the project, your system went live here. Your project live operations, live project operations here. So almost like here critical elements in this phase relate to the so project live here. Once the project is live, then so support activities will start here. Support. Then dedicated team, they will do the same team or dedicated team will do the support. Means daily monitoring of the system here, transactions, optimizing the system performance. Why? Because during the this implementation phases, you never know how the system behaves, performance and everything here. But in the support side only, once the project is live, the when the people are starting, end users are starting booking, accepting the orders, booking the orders, all those things, then you will come to know the performance. Why? Because that time we have the real user load is there in the system. That time we will come to know the system behavior, how fastly system is responding, slowness is there or not. So how fastly you are booking the order, immediately you are getting the printouts or not. So order you are accepting the order not. That time you will come to know. So we have the hypercare period in the here. So then support team will start doing the daily monitoring, all the activities they will do it in this system here, right? So in this system they will do the in this phase, support phase, where support activities will continuously run 2 years 3 years project, support activities will continues to the run here. Why? Because we as a dedicated team we have to give the support to the live systems here. Otherwise the system performance issues, who will fix it out? Any bad jobs are failing, who will fix it out here? The orders are failing in the SAP, who will fix it out here? The order is not coming as a printout, who is fix it here? So dedicated basis team has to fix it here, right? So there's a lot of advantages to follow these features step by step. You are following order in order wise, sequence wise. You are so which means this SAP methodology will covers the entire project life cycle from the initial evaluation through post management, everything you are covering here. So this is also ensures the transparent value for delivering the SAP system from starting to ending. So this is the one of the business value, and we are following the all the business process managements and all the architectures, we risk management, everything we are following. Everybody is agreed. So then project will go for the live. Then after that, the support team will give the support activities and everything here, right? The critical, the this entire this all the steps will like take maybe sometimes 6 months, 1 year project implementations. So like that, it will start it here. Why? Because we have to follow the all the preparation, hiring the team. Customers should be happy with, they should agree. The detailed testing and everything will happen here. UAT, user accept testings, everything here. Once everybody is agreed, then only the project will go for the live in the one of the time. Then once the project is live means, so once the system is live means we cannot control the users, all those things here. System will be using by the business. So then some dedicated support team is required here. Sometimes directly we will do the support activities from here. You will not be hired from the in this phases here, right? Sometimes you will start doing the preparation activities from this support activities only. Why? Because we are the support team. That's why we have the two phases here: implementation team and support teams. Maybe sometimes they will, some people they will change to the upgrade team, migration team, something migration projects. That is the after that. But first is the implementation, then support activities. We have to do it. Here onward, support team will do the monitoring, transport, bug fixes, anything. All this will be covered in the support with using the proper manner, proper tracking of the all your work will be done by the some using the service no ticketing tools, some ticketing tools like example service no, remedy, Jira. So multiple things they will use it in the support time here. So here onwards, carefully we have to handle the systems. Here onwards, 24/7 support, we have to give the support here, support time. But because people start business using here, then if your system is down, how they can book the tickets, how they can book the food orders, then it's not possible, right? So carefully we need to plan our support activities, infrastructure, everything we have to plan in the real. Our main work will comes under the realization. So then after that final preparation, go live, bulk of transports we will do, imports, all those things will happen. So all this will comes under the implementation methodology. By following this one, we will ensure our project is successfully live. So all the information successfully live, and we will do the all the activities on every phase. It will be a track. It will be tracked in the each and every phase here. But these are the implementation methodologies. So this is one of the SAP methodology which we will follow, the accelerated SAP methodology. The phase consists of the 6 main steps here. One is the preparation, blueprint, realization, final preparation, go live, and support activities here. Okay, this is what understanding of the SAP methodology. Okay, so here we will start our actual work from the realization phase onwards. Means SAP systems building the SAP system, means installation of the SAP systems. We will start from the realization phase onwards, right? So here you will get the server access here to practice the realization phase, all those things, how to do the SAP installations, what SAP products we are going to installation here. We will discuss theoretically, but actual your installation starts from the realization phase here, right? So that is what we required. So in the next we are going to discuss SAP installation requirements, right? What we required to perform the SAP installation, right? What softwares we required, what are the technical terms about the SAP, right? So then all those things we will discuss one by one slowly. Okay. So that is about the implementation strategy which will follow in the organization. Okay. Any questions, anyone here? Just a theoretical discussion here. So we'll start the installation as well. In the tomorrow, we'll discuss about the in the relation phase, actual technical work, what we do here, how to get the requirements, how to do the installations, what softwares we required, what are the hardware requirements, what are the software requirements, what are the tools we have to use it, how to build the SAP system. All those things will follow one by one here. So today is first class. That's why I'm stopping here. Anyone, any questions here?
No, sir. It's clear, sir. As of now, it's clear.
Good. Thank you.